Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Facebook not working in Pakistan. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings. So let me open that. Click on settings, go into the app management and go into the app list. And here you need to search for Facebook. Okay, and here you need to clear storage and cache. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Play Store and you need to search for VPN, and you can download any VPN that you like, and then you need to turn on the VPN and then you need to open Facebook, and after that Facebook will work for okay, and you will find not any issue in using Facebook. So this is a process by which you can use Facebook in Pakistan. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.